Hey YouTube, Mick from Sydney, Australia. Just going to strop and sharpen my Leatherman wave and see if we can shave the hairs off my arm. So here's my little homemade strop that I made, which I showed you before. So I'm going to give it a good 20 strikes each side. Alright, it's 20 on that side. Right, it's 20 on that side. Right, let's see how sharp it is, and let me see if I can find some hairs that I haven't shaved off. Yeah, there we see. Right there, you can see it. Oh yeah. That is sharper than my Italian Mazarin knife. Look at that. That's just unbelievable. I mean, can't believe I didn't discover this before. I mean, that is just unbelievable. I mean, this can be my new skinning knife, to be honest. I wouldn't even have to take my Mazarin with me. You know, I can literally shave my face with this. This is probably sharper than my razor at home. That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. And mind you, this leather is from a belt, and I can see the leather scraping away here. So this isn't very good leather. I'm going to go out and buy some really good quality leather and do this, and I'm sure I'm going to get a really nice sharpness, but mate, this is sharp as. Can't believe it. So guys, stropping is the way. Leather, stuff sharpening tools, just use leather.